Hey guys, Dan Shapiro back at you with AxesATrader.com, and today we will be talking about the myths of trading. One of the biggest myths that I've seen, especially for aspiring traders, they believe the reality of trading is stepping up to the plate and hitting a 5-run home run. Okay, number one, that doesn't exist. Number two, it's never going to happen. Trading is not going for Hail Marys. Okay, trading is not the ability to try to hit a 200-foot home run. It's just not reality. The business of trading is all about getting value. Everybody's trained to look at the top of the range. Everybody's trained to look at the bottom of the range. When you break down the process and you break down the PS60 theory, the value that we get every single day is not at the bun, right? It's not at the bun. It's not the lettuce and tomato. We are looking for the meat. We're looking for the meat every single day because, again, at the end of the meal, you're much more fed with the meat than you are with the lettuce or the tomato. Another thing, people talk about all the time, and you hear this all the time, man, trading is awesome. The streets are paved with gold, right? It's like during the internet craze. Everybody believed because .com was alive and kicking, the streets were paved with gold. Buy internet. All you need to do is buy internet. You don't need to have a process. You don't need to know what you're doing. Buy .com and you will make money. Obviously, that was a little bit exaggerated, right? 80% of the people during that time, despite the internet craze and stock prices going through the roof, many traders were failing because, again, they came into the business eyes wide shut, heard about that the streets were paved with gold. They wanted to get the piece of the pie, and unfortunately, all they saw was the negative outcome of that proverbial revolving door because, again, they didn't have a process, they didn't have money management skills. All they wanted was an entitlement to get rich. Very, very unfortunate, but again, life is not fair, trading is not fair, and if you don't have the foundation, the necessary skill set to understand when to push, when to scale back, you will find yourself, again, on the wrong side of that proverbial revolving door. This is something every single trader needs to hear, okay? You could be the most hungriest trader in the world, sleep, breathe, charts and financial news and everything in between. If you don't have the necessary foundation to understand why stocks are moving, why stocks are not moving, and don't have the necessary skill set, the process, that hard work and dedication is all for nothing. This is the only business in the world, guys. I repeat it. The only business in the world that hard work doesn't translate into success. It's all about understanding the markets, the nuances, the moving parts, why stocks are moving, why stocks are not moving. And the most important part is when to apply your strategy. The best way to eliminate any of the market myths that unfortunately so many people fall victim to, especially in this new millennial social media world, is really kind of taking a step back, slowing things down. Forget about what the market's doing. Forget about what the scoreboard's doing. The Dow's up, the Dow's down. Take a step back, relax, really try to figure out what you want to do, what is your role in trading, and how you want to attack it, okay? You want to put yourself in the position that, again, your foundation is rock solid. You're trading on your time, not because the market's open, okay? You're putting your business first and your expectations last. And speaking of expectations, guys, take a little tip. Here's a little tip to new traders. Every single day, I walk in, I turn on my computer, and I look at the market. Every single day, I have zero expectations. Now, what does that do? Okay, you don't have any disappointments, right, guys? You have zero disappointments when you have no expectations of the day. And what's that going to do is going to eliminate any emotional involvement, any emotional engulfment that you have during the day. So you can trade clearer with an open mind, with an open bias. So instead of trading and on expectations, you are trading on merit. Guys, thanks again for checking out this short video. If you like what you see, if you have any questions, again, we are a full interactive webinar. We're not a chat room. We're not an alert service. We build traders from the ground up, okay, through process, strategy, and especially education. If you like what you see, if you like what you hear, guys, comment below. Comment below. Let me know exactly what you want to hear, what you want us to cover, because at the end of the day, it's all about education, it's all about strategy, and it's all about longevity. If you like us, guys, click the like button, tell a friend, share this video, and hopefully with God's help, we'll see each other very shortly.